Well, the Lady Tamaraos has a lot of championships in the UAP, and they should bring that championship attitude here.
Oh, wow! Irish Morada. Could that be a breakthrough shot for her?
Let's hope. Let's hope. They need it. FEU needs that from Irish Morada.
Look at how high she went up for this on the combination. Yung baba niya, lampas na sa net.
Exactly.
And she's only about 5'5". Morada serve. Di makulangan. Back set, Michelle Carolino on the other side. Another attacking error for USD.
Well, this time, Michelle Carolino took something off that spike. Medyo nag-miss hit. Yeah, it went wide.
This is the break that FEU needs. Yung mga puntos na binibigay sa kanila ng UST. Di makulangan. Goes to Maizo, and Maizo cannot get it through. Another point for FEU.
Well, FEU, USD, relaxing too much.
And Irish Morada's serve has been gold so far for FEU. Nice one again, and that's a service ace for Morada.
Well, one good spike and really pump up a team. That's what Irish Morada did for FEU.
And now Coach Shaq pushes the panic button. Let's listen into UST.
Kailangan lang natin makareceive na maayos para makatake. Attack over tayo, okay? Ha? Ano ba si Michelle? Ito ano to? Tumba ito. Pag naka-receive siya, maganda receive. Bito, tres ka. Ito yung tapon dito sa dulo. Miss ball ka dito sa 5 siya. Okay?
Let's take a look at a service ace brought to you by Cherryfur PGM, the first and only multivitamins for teens. Morada, dealing, and FEU UST folds. Salamat sa mga kaibigan natin sa J-Mart, the best grilled tuna in town. Mang Mars is in the house.
Yep.
Nandito si Mang Mars, pero hindi naman niya dala yung kanyang kalan. So, hindi tayo makakain.
Crispy buntot.
Yon! Di makulangan. Setting up Maizo, De Leon, coming up for the dig. Morada. And Taganas gives up the free ball. Nice effort there for FEU. Di makulangan. One more time. Oh, off timing, and that would be a lifting violation here against Micah Ortiz.
Well, something has happened to USC after starting off pretty well. They've lapsed into a couple of unforced errors.
At alam ni Coach Nes Pamilar that this set is not yet over. Di makulangan. Back set ngayon. Michelle Carolino turned back there by Dakis. Carolino now for Ortiz. It's as if UST has gone to slow motion.
Exactly. I was about to say that myself.
And Morada cannot cover behind Taganas. And a lucky break there for UST.
I was gonna say that. Funny that he said it. Parang when we were watching, parang ano ba to? Slow-mo.
But 21-15. UST 4 points away from claiming set number 1. Ortiz with the serve. Dug up there by Morada. Here's Carolino from behind the attack line. Di makulangan and Balse running after the ball. Here's Michelle Carolino. Mayat Carolino sets up Shaira Gonzalez. It is still alive for UST.
Good coverage by UST.
Dakis off the block. And Maizo gives up the free ball. Morada. De Leon. Back set. Papunta rito kaya Mayat Carolino. Balse second.
That's experience for you, Mary Jean Balse. Kahit running for that, scrambling for that spike, sees the opening and simply tips it over.
Sometimes it doesn't require power. Balse knew what she wanted to do even before the ball got to her.
With a smile pa yun.
So 22-15, UST might have regained their wits just in time. Micah Ortiz with the serve. De Leon. Dakis down the middle. Di makulangan. Michelle Carolino. De Leon with the dig. Mayat Carolino. Dakis! And that is a point for FEU. It was touched by UST.
That's right, although they thought it went out. Check ball called by the referees, and Dakis gives FEU another point.
And Dakis with her wicked serve. Back at the service area. 22-16. Caballejo. Di makulangan. Carolino!
Well, nothing slow-mo there.
Na sobrang bilis nga nun. Parang she defied the Matrix that time. 23-16. UST 2 points away from the first set. Carolina serve. De Leon. Mayet Carolino. On the ankle. Wala magawa to si Aiza Maizo.
That's right. Maizo found herself in the wrong position. Actually, that was a very good hit by Mayet Carolino. Medyo malayo yung set.
So down to 6 ang kalamangan dito na UST. FEU still pretty much in this first set. Mayet Carolino, nice serve. Corato had to do some calisthenics to reach that one, but that's a better spike coming from Mary Jean Balse.
Well, a good dig there by Jessica Corato, and Mary Jean Balse makes no mistake.
Ito po si Balse led the attack of UST with a game high 22 in that game 2 loss. Nice read by Taganas.
Well, actually, both squads have been committing service errors.
Is it because of the band? Yung equilibrium nila nasisira. Ang ingay ng mga banda rito ngayon. But again, these two schools want it noisy. Corato over receiving that time, and Di Maculangan very close to a crossing error there. Here's Vivas, and she beats Di Maculangan and Balse Mikasa.
That's right, the good hit by Jeremy Vivas going through Balse.
24-19, it is still set point for UST. FEU scrapping to stay alive. China Gonzalez, Di Maculangan, Caballejo, nice dig that time by Gonzalez. De Leon sets up Vivas, dug up, oh wow! Morada!
Morada being very aggressive in that play.
And Coach Shaq wants to talk things over. Let's take a look at this. Gift wrap from UST for Makaila, Irish, Morada, kaboom! Let's listen to UST.
Ano mo yung spike here? Kailangan ba natin madalin yung block? Dahan-dahan lang, pero mabablock natin yan. Ha? Ano? Hindi tayo makapatay.
You know, Noel, when you look at the score right now, you wouldn't have thought that UST once led 10-1.
That's right. It's amazing. Hindi, umabot pa nga ng 11-1 yan eh. But now FEU is really making a game out of this, and it's still not over here in the first set.
That's right. Slowly but surely, they've creeped back into this match.
And that is bad news for UST. Even if they go on to win this set, FEU has already regained their composure.
Exactly.
Balse, Taganas, and that will do it for set number 1. 25-20, but Coach Despamilar is smiling because he knows, despite the fact they lost the first set, FEU is now on. Take a look at a shaky play right here. From UST's reception here, Norit.
Yep, of course, it's Mary Jean Balse ends the first set.
And we will be back for set number 2.